Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lectures, we studied the general characteristics of organic compounds, but today we are going to study another important topic, which is sources of organic compounds. So, let's start. Introduction. Organic compounds are carbon-containing compounds that are found everywhere around us. They occur naturally in living organisms and are also produced artificially in laboratories and industries. The main sources of organic compounds are first one plants, second one animals, third one coal, fourth one petroleum, fifth one natural gas. So let's discuss one by one. First one is plants is a source of organic compounds. Plants are the primary natural source of organic compounds. Why plants are important? Because plants prepare organic compounds through photosynthesis. Examples of organic compounds obtained from plants are carbohydrate in glucose, starch, cellulose, oils, mustard oil, coconut oil, resins and gums, alkaloids, morphine, quinine, caffeine. Example cotton, cellulose, sugarcane, sucrose. Plants provide food, medicine, fiber, and fuels. The second one is animals is a source of organic compounds. Animals obtain organic compounds from plants and store them in different form. Example, protein, meat, eggs, milk, fats and oils, butter, ghee, hormones like insulin, enzymes, animal products is all protein, cell protein, leader. Third one is coal is a source of organic compounds. Coal is a fossil fuel formed from dead plants buried under the earth for millions of years. Important product obtained from coals or coal gas, coal tar, coke. Coal tar provides benzene, toluene, naphthalene, phenols. These are used in making dyes, drugs, explosives, and plastics. Fourth one is petroleum is a source of organic compounds. Petroleum is also called crude oil. It is the most important chemical source of organic compounds obtained by fractional distillation. Product of petroleum or petrol, diesels, kerosene, lubricating oil, propane, wax, uses, fuels, plastics, synthetic fibers, medicines, detergents. Fifth one is natural gas is a source of organic compounds. Natural gas is a mixture of gaseous hydrocarbons. Main components are methane, CH4, ethane, C2H6, propane, C3H8. Uses domestic fuel, power generation, raw material for chemicals. Example, CNG is compressed natural gas used as a fuel in vehicles. Importance of sources of organic compounds provide food and energy used in medicines, basis of industries used in daily life products, support modern technology. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on sources of organic compounds. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.